Congrats on the purchase of your Triaxe Sport Folding Mobility Scooter by Enehance Mobility. In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly. After opening your box and unpacking all of the contents, start by folding the steering tiller up and locking it into place. Next, install the front basket mount by removing all 4 bolts from the bracket. Place the 2 bracket pieces onto the steering tiller. Replace and tighten all 4 bolts. Clip your basket onto the bracket and lock it into place with the gray lock switch. Next, raise the seat by squeezing the seat lock lever located under the seat above the battery. Lastly, connect the main battery connector plug to the battery. Switch the battery on, and you are ready to take flight with your all-new, unique, and portable Triaxe Sport Folding Mobility Scooter by Enehance Mobility. If you have any other questions regarding the unboxing or assembly, please call AutoMobility store at 1-800-431-3183.